All right, so today, guys, I'm going to be reviewing Fliiki. Some of you call it Fliki AI. Now, this is a tool that helps you create videos way faster, and it uses AI, obviously. In my opinion, this is better than Pictory, and no shade to Pictory, by the way. And so, let me just show you what it looks like. This is what the layout looks like. And as you said right here, fast creation, that's the most important thing, and it's insanely cost effective. So it has certain use cases. You can use it for content creation, your marketing and social media, e-commerce, localization and translation, education, e-learning, business and corporate. And it features text to video. So you can give it a text and it will turn it to a video, an idea to a video. So you give it a prompt, it gives you a video, text to speech, blog to video. You give it your URL to a video, tweet to video, product video, AI voiceover, AI avatar, voice cloning, PowerPoint to video, photo to video, and a translator. And their AI voice, there are setting modules that you click on, and it makes it as realistic as possible. So let's take a look at the pricing. So you can see right here, you have certain plans. Let's take a look at the monthly pricing. They have a free plan, so 5 minutes of credits per month. 300 limited voices, 75 plus languages, generate AI images. The most you get is the 720p when you want to export it, and it also contains the Fliiki watermark. They also have the standard version right here. Then they have the premium version. So I have a link to it in the description below. So I mean, if you guys click on the link and use my link, I get to earn a commission, and I get to spend that commission on something stupid. So thank you guys, by the way. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna click on login because I already have an account with these guys, and this is it. You guys can already see I already created a ton of videos, but let's just create a new one, okay? So let me just show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna click on new file. So this is what your account looks like. You can then click on new file right here, and then you can choose. So language, English, dialects, United States. Now I can name this file name video test. I'm just testing it out. Now you can choose the aspect ratio. If you want a square one, maybe for if you want to post on Facebook, that's the best one. A portrait, if you want to post on Instagram, TikTok, that's a good one. Landscape, mainly for YouTube. And then you start with an idea. You can start with an empty file, and then you be the one to put in your own stuff. You can start with an idea, a blog, PowerPoint, tweet, product. So for this video, I'm just going to do the idea and then the blog. Okay. So I'm going to click on the idea, click on submit. It's going to load up. Okay. So now you're going to give it a prompt. All right. And now the prompt I'm going to give it is so they already have one motivating video on the benefits of eating healthy and exercising. I'm just going to give it one on being healthy as a man. And this is just an example, okay? And you can choose. So they give you stock media, AI media. You can choose whether you want an image or a video. So I'm just going to leave this for 1 minute because it's a tutorial video. And then I'm just going to click on submit. Once you click on submit, it's going to process. And once it's done, you're going to see it on the left side. So let's just wait. Okay, that was really fast, and it's created it successfully. Now it has it right here, and let's pick the audio that we want. Voiceover. So the voiceover I'm gonna go with is gonna be English, United. Since I have an accent, right? I'm gonna pick the accent that I have. I have a Nigerian accent, so I'm gonna pick one. Isn't there is a girl's name? Abio is a boy's name. I'm gonna pick Abio. So I'm just gonna click on Abio. Let's listen to what Abio sounds like.
Fliiki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
That's beautiful. So I'm going to click on Abio, and then I'm going to click on apply this voice to all the voiceovers. Going to click on select. Okay, and now it's applied it. And if you guys take a look at it, if you don't want the subtitles to appear in the video, on the right hand side right here, you're just going to click on subtitle and then you're going to click on apply to similar layers. Okay, that's what you're going to do. Just check this box and then click on apply to similar layers. It takes it off all the slides, but I'm just going to click on subtitle just to show you guys. All right, apply to similar layers, click on apply, and this is what it looks like. So let's just play it from the start. All right, now also you can add your background audio. So any music that you have that you want it to play over, you can always add your background audio and it's gonna take care of that. So, and let's just say you don't like a scene like this lizard right here, and you want to take it out. You can always come in here, click on the media itself, search for a video and pick a video, search for an image and pick an image, and you can also search for a GIF. Some people call it GIF. I call it GIF. So, and just click on a GIF. And then you can also click on generate. If you click on generate, you'll be able to pick your own, like you'll be able to generate content using AI. So you can come in here and pick it, and you can also pick the style that you want. And you can change that to video and do the same thing. I'm okay with what I have so far. I just want to play the video just to show you guys. So then what you want to do once you're done, if you go ahead and review all this and you're done, you can go ahead and preview it. Okay. Now, typically when you preview it, you might encounter blank frames or silent audio. You can play it again, or you can, if you just click on download, you'll be able to download it and then take a look at it in the preview and go back to edit it if you want. All right. So I'm just gonna click on a preview, and if it doesn't give me what I want, in which there are lots of breaks and stuff, then I'll download it and then show you guys. So I'm gonna click on preview. Okay. Just like I said, it might not give you a sound or anything like that, and then that's what. And then there's also this thing here called Magic Create. So you can also create another content right here, but let's just go ahead and download this, and then in the preview we'll be able to see it. Okay, we'll be able to hear it. So I'm just going to click on start export and click on start. Okay, so now it's ready to preview. Let's listen to it.
Mastering Men's Health, a guide to vitality. Welcome to the journey every man should embark on, embracing a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling alive.
Do you guys hear the accent? That sounds like a typical Nigerian accent. If you guys listen to it, it's pretty good. The AI tool is pretty good. And then you can go back. If you don't like it, you can always X out of this and edit, and then you can download the file. And that's if you can't hear it when you click on the original preview. Okay, so I like it so far, and this is something that you can go ahead and start. Go ahead and post on Facebook, and if you just post every day or post on YouTube, promote it properly, you might end up getting a nice monetized channel that you can use to sell products and you can use to do affiliate marketing. So it's pretty nice. Now let's create another one. Okay, let's return back to home, and I'm going to create one for a blog post. So enter file name video test blog, and now I'm going to go ahead and create a blog post. Let me go over to my blog and pick my blog right here. And then it says start with idea. I'm just going to go with blog. Let me change up the aspect ratio so you guys can take a look at what it looks like in portrait. So portrait right there. And then I'm just going to pick one. Okay. It says how to invest in generative AI. That's a blog, copy link. Okay. And by the way, right now that I'm on my website, I have a list of the top AI tools on the market. You guys can actually get in the description below. Or if you go on my website, successtechservices.com, you'll be able to put in your information and get a toolkit. It's pretty nice. You get all the AI tools that you need to grow your business, which is dope. And you also receive emails from me every week whenever I upload new content. And also make sure you guys hit that like button. By hitting that like button itself, you guarantee your chances of getting the ultimate AI tool that can help your business grow and help make you more money. And also subscribe. So let's just go back to it. And now that I've done it, I'm just going to click on submit. And now you're gonna post the link to your blog here. Okay. Okay, so now that's done, and now you can check summarize. I'm just gonna check summarize because this is a simple review video. I don't want to take you guys time and stuff. And then maximum duration 1 minute. That's okay. And so you can also auto pick animated stickers for the scenes, which is dope. Then I'm just gonna click on submit, and that's gonna create it for me, and it's pretty fast. Okay, so now it's created it successfully. It pulled the image directly from my website. I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, so let me change up the voice. Let me just change up the voice. Let me just go back to Abio again. You guys can pick any voice you want. I'm just gonna select this one and then apply voice to all. Apply this voice to all the voiceovers. So let's say you have something like this. You see how it distorts the image. I'm gonna show you guys how to change that up. So you got the layout right here. It's gonna be over here, and that's what it picked. And then what you want to do is once you're going to click on the image, you're going to see this place right here where it says layout. So you chose the scene and it says layout. You're going to click on fit, and then click on contain, and then it does it like this. So it's pretty nice. Okay, and then you're going to do it for the next one again because it distorted this one. Let's go to this one, and then it distorted it. So once you just click on it, that dialog box might pop up. So you just exit out of there, and then you're just gonna go over here to fit, and then click on contain. So it contains the image itself rather than allow it to fully cover it. So now let's preview it. Let me see if it is gonna make a sound with this fast preview. If it does not, then all I'm just gonna do is gonna go over to download and then try that out. So let's just try it here. Okay, it doesn't give us any sound, so let's just click on download and then do it that way, and then I'm gonna show you guys the preview. All right, so now it's done. Let's preview it.
How to invest in generative AI, a comprehensive guide. Discover how to invest in generative AI, a booming market with a bright future. Learn about its impact and opportunity investment field.
It's pretty nice, not gonna lie. You can always edit the text. You don't like the text, just click on it and edit up the text, and then obviously you can then download it, do whatever you want to do. So far so good. I hope you guys liked what I gave you guys so far. Oh wait, before we go, I'm gonna show you guys something else. There's something called voice cloning that they have. I've almost used up all my credits. And then click on voice cloning right here. And if you're on the premium plan, then you'll be able to read the terms and conditions and then clone your voice. So let me just show you guys what I created so far so you guys can listen to it. I choose someone a name. Okay. So it's just straight to the point, and it's just something you can try out for yourself in case you ever get a premium plan. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.